Hello everyone, Jorge here with Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies. Nexus for linking, Nexus for connecting. Okay, so I'm in charge of a section on a private DevSecOps Dojo from Cloud on the Ground and Avalos Cloud Native Technologies. And my section is basically Cloud Native. So basically, I break apart the platform engineering role and everything that you need to know to basically have many careers, from the under layers like Kubernetes, from the networking, load balancers, cybersecurity. We talk about zero trust. We talk about AI, blockchain, and much more. My car already have AI. It had containers. It had Kubernetes hosted and all that. So this car already saved my life a few times, right? So if I'm speeding too fast or a car is coming, a cow in the middle or something, it will do his computational stuff and it will save my life. It will stop. It will maybe escape the cow or something. The truth is, like, all those containers, first of all the whole system in the car, you have top trending technology. And that's exactly what we teach in our dojo: AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, and cloud native technologies. Okay. So if something in here fails, the computer part, something fails, my life may be at risk. So if Tesla, which the amazing thing is not about the electric part and all that, that's amazing. Just the amazing thing about Elon Musk and all that is that he's already making 100 million cars every year. 100 million cars. That's amazing. That's a big accomplishment. One thing is about the technology that you use, right? Another thing is all the testing that gotta get for one container application not to fail, so it can save my life, right? If something fails and I may die, right? And on top of that, he's using top trending technology, and he's making sure that everything is tested to the fullest, right? A million times, 200 times, 200 million times, doesn't matter. This car hasn't failed me. I already tested the car, and this car saved my life. I confirmed that myself. Okay, this is one of the fastest cars when it comes to the torque. Like at the start, it can beat pretty much any car out there in seconds. I had the speed that no car out there have. You can compete with Ferrari, with any other car out there. I mean, not like long distance, of course, but just the torque at the start, boom, and like 200 kilometers an hour in just like less than a second. It's crazy. Okay, so what about if something fails? Well, it doesn't fail. It may fail one day, maybe find a bug or whatever. But so far, this car, for this car to drive itself, right? Because it can take me anywhere. Maybe I'm reading my book here, right? For this car to basically launch itself and just drive itself, a lot of testing must be done. Those containers cannot fail. The open source gotta be secure, and much more. So if Tesla is using top technology, top trending technology like AI, Kubernetes, open source, top security for the cybersecurity part, how do you secure these containers? What would you not do that? If we know that AI is here, it's gonna be disrupting a lot of jobs. Same for blockchain technology, simplifying networking systems and all that. So in my community, our private community with Cloud on the Ground and Avalos Cloud Native Technologies, you have the opportunity to have a new career next year. Not just one, many careers. We teach you how to be an entrepreneur. I teach you how to create a personal branding, and you can basically have an overview of what it takes to build a system, right? It takes a lot, right? So a lot of companies are hiring a network engineer and a container guy and the platform guy and maybe the cybersecurity person. So what about if you understand every single person in the whole corporation, right? You have a mindset of being a boss, a mindset of being an entrepreneur, a mindset of understanding every single piece it takes to make the car or to make the system or the app or whatever you can think of, right? That's what you have with me, right? I'm gonna open your brain because you may be reading a lot, right? But are things making sense to you? Sometimes it doesn't. Are you working with other people? Are you making the job fun or the learning fun? We know that IT is isolated sometimes. We know that communities, like, yeah, you read, you learn, fine. It's more fun when you work together. It's more fun when you are actually building things with other people. It's more fun when you're making money with other people. It's more fun and happy, and you feel like just full of life when you say, wow, I did this with some people. It's like life. Like, you got your family, you're happy, right? You need to have connection with some people. Same with the career. A lot of people is just breaking their brains out there. I did that for so many years doing networking and doing other careers. I've been in IT in many areas. And it's like, wow, you're learning on your own. You're always learning on your own. What about make the job fun, make the learning fun, and get creative. Whatever comes to your mind, make it happen, right? So I'm gonna invite you to join the DevSecOps Dojo. You can have my coaching personally. It's a one-time payment for life. I'm gonna be there in the dojo. If I'm not there, my people is there too. And again, it's AI, blockchain, cloud native, and cybersecurity. You're gonna learn a little bit of everything, and then you can choose exactly where you're heading to, right? It's gonna be your call, not mine. But Black Friday is coming. Maybe we can give you a discount. New Year's is around the corner. Are you looking ahead? Are you gonna have a job in 2-3 years? Are you just gonna be waiting and see what happens? Are you gonna be getting stuck still with Windows Server 2008 or 2022? Or still with VMware? Still with systems that, I don't know. Sometimes it's a lot of licenses, a lot of money, spending a lot just to do one thing. But you could do everything and be the best of the best out there. And sometimes you don't even need to know all the technical of every single piece. Just know how it works, what it is, and what it takes to build it, right? And maybe it's on layers of networking. Learn what are the layers of networking. Learn the layers of Kubernetes. Learn the layers of AI. What is inside AI? Okay, deep learning, machine learning, Gen AI. Okay, networking. What do we have there? TCP, UDP. Okay, we have the OSI layer. We have the application layer, the session layer. What about if you talk about blockchain? Okay, we got blockchain, which is the network, peer-to-peer. What about if you say, okay, who's running on top of blockchain? What is that? Okay, smart contract. What are smart contracts? Okay, they are like apps. Okay, they are apps and it runs on the blockchain, right? And then you are like, okay, I'm getting a new terminology. Okay, now how can I hide my containers? Okay, I'm gonna use zero trust networking to hide my containers from the network. Okay, what about if I want this container to talk to that container? Okay, I'm gonna create a service mesh. Okay, what about if I need to load balance these things? Okay, I'm gonna use the load balancer, open source tool out there. Okay, what I'm gonna host this VMware, Promox, Kubernetes is gonna be, I don't know. And then you can talk about anything you can think of. Cybersecurity, okay, I'm gonna build a SOC system, security operation center, or security information event management, or you're gonna build I don't know, anything you can think of. You're gonna learn concepts like pam, 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 pam. Oh, I know what it is. So when people's using all these abbreviations, SOC, SIEM, blockchain, smart contract, load balancer, server, hypervisor, and you're like, wow, I'm a new person now. I love where I am. And you know what? You may go work somewhere else, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna come back. You're gonna come back because we are technology. We are real engineers. We actually put the work. We don't ask for money. We just put the money. We just put the time. Sorry, we just put the time. You know, doesn't matter if we get paid or not. And we know that everything in the end pays off. It's for you, not for me. It's for your own future. It's for your own good. It's for you not to be asked competing with 700 people for a networking job. Even if you have your CCNP, your CCIE, your CCNA, even if you have your VMware vCenter certification, even if you have, I don't know, your any certification you can think of, ethical hacking. So you know what sells? Terminology, knowledge, and not just one career. It's nice when you have many. Imagine you're talking about data lakes, lake houses, edge computer, right? And you are like, what is edge computer? What is data lakes? What is lake houses? You're like, wow, data warehouses. Oh my God, it's structured data, unstructured data. Okay. And now satellite systems. And you're like, wow, I really like where I am. So come and join my team, real engineering, real people, you know, one-on-one coaching. And we are going to be there for you. And also, if you show us you can do work, maybe we could give you work. See you. Thank you.